Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here the latest smartwatch from ITEL, the ITEL Storm Ultra Smartwatch. Model name is the ISWO23 smartwatch. One of its main feature for this wearable is the health monitoring function. So we have here the heart rate monitoring as well as the blood oxygen monitoring. So we are going to try this. We are going to test the heart rate as well as the blood oxygen, and we will compare it with this fingertip pulse oximeter. So if you are interested to see the results, whether the Storm Ultra heart rate monitoring is similar to the fingertip pulse oximeter, watch this video. And again, like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Alright, so let's begin and explore the heart rate monitoring as well as the blood oxygen monitoring. And after checking, we'll compare it. We'll have a simultaneous monitoring of the heart rate with the fingertip pulse oximeter. So let's check first the heart rate. Let's see if we'll provide the random number. Okay, and as you can see here, it will not check if we are not wearing the smartwatch. Okay, so it is a real sensor, not just a sensor or not just a random number, just like other clone smartwatches. Let's check with the blood oxygen. So this is stress monitoring. Here's the blood oxygen monitoring. And the same with the heart rate monitoring. So far, that is a good indication that we do have a real sensor for the heart rate and blood oxygen. So let's wear the smartwatch properly so we can check our heart rate. Okay, let's check. And let's tap on the heart rate. It's now measuring. We do have here a maximum and minimum. So let's see. Just a few seconds we'll have our beats per minute. Let's wait. And we have here 85 beats per minute. So seems like we do have a continuous monitoring of our heart rate. It's now 81, 82, 84. Okay, then how about the blood oxygen monitor? Let's see. It's now measuring, and we have here 98%. Okay, so far so good. Then let's have a simultaneous monitoring of our heart rate as well as the blood oxygen. Let's turn this on. Let's have our heart rate. It's now measuring. Okay, so far we do have 87, 86, and 86, still 86. And we have here 88, 87. We have 80, 83, 81, and 87. It's very far from our fingertip pulse oximeter. As you can see, we do have 83 and 81. It's now synchronizing. Okay, I guess it just need time. So 82, and we do have 74 here, 75. And now it's the same, 82 right now. Okay, it's staying on 82, 81 for our fingertip pulse oximeter. 81 and 82. Okay, so it is a bit slow for our ITEL so far, but seems like they have somewhat similar result to our fingertip pulse oximeter. So 83, 84, and we have 82 here. Still 82 and 82 as you can see here. Okay. Let's adjust first the settings here for the display. Sleep. Okay, so it's only 20. Okay, that is disappointing. I thought there's a minute. Okay, going back to our heart rate. Right now it is 79, 83, 87, 88, 89, 87. We have 84 here. It's now the same. 86, 85, 84, and 83. 83 and 84. It's a bit late for our ITEL Storm Ultra, but anyway, still the result is pretty close to our fingertip pulse oximeter. So we have 86 and we have 86 here. Okay, so that's okay. I think the heart rate is okay. Okay, not that fast, but it provides somewhat similar, okay, a close result to our fingertip pulse oximeter. How about the blood oxygen here? We have 97% and we have 97% here on our Storm Ultra. Okay, so it is staying on the 97%. Okay, so far that is very good for our blood oxygen monitoring for our Storm Ultra. For the heart rate, I think it's okay. Not that fast. The monitoring is not that fast, but I think it is somewhat accurate. Okay, pretty close to our fingertip pulse oximeter. On our next video, we are going to compare it also with a O15, and let's see if which smartwatch do have a much faster heart rate monitoring. And also we will compare it with a Xiaomi Smart Band 9. Okay, so that's it for the health monitoring function of the Storm Ultra smartwatch, the ITEL O23 Storm Ultra smartwatch. If you have any questions regarding the demo, drop a comment below, and of course like, share, and subscribe.